Good evening, Waukegan fans. Welcome to our field of our Pregame Bulldog football. Please direct your attention towards the field of Waukegan High School Bulldog Marching Band members for your pregame entertainment. Bulldog Marching Band directed by Director of Bands David Grayson with Assistant Director of Waldo Ortiz, Woodland Instructor Diane Boris, Staff Instructor Brandon Surrounds, Percussion Instructor Vincent Paredes, Percussion Instructor Tyler Darnell, Percussion Instructor Melissa Grayson, Color Guard Coach Ariel Pazzo, and Visual Captain Head Michael Beekland. Your drum majors are Celeste Smith, Kate Kosich, and Carlos Estelio. Please stand, clap, and sing along to your fight song, The Purple, Green, and Gold. Supported by the Bulldog Marching Band under Director of Administration. The colors are presented by the Waukegan High School Taylor, Color Guard.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 30, 31, 32. Move up a little bit more.
It's got sweat coming in my eye, bro. I'll be tearing up. Nope.
I see Johnny.
If I have a GoPro on my head. Say cheese. Okay.
Alright, John.